Laughing, almost crying. The future bathroom. People did the insulation, the window. 16 centimeters insulation, so on. And the gaps between the insulation, 2 centimeters. No foam, nothing, just everything crazy. Don't touch the wall. They told us outside wall everything is good with that wall. Everything is rotten. And this is the outside. That's all. 2 centimeters in the outside. Just plastic cover. No, the bathroom everything okay, the hydro and it's okay. But 16 centimeters here and here nothing. Don't touch. No, it's okay. All is good. Wow. And you are telling me that the Belgian bill is still professional? It's something crazy. It's amazing. Everything is moving now, but the most important is 16 centimeters insulation on the wall and the outside wall, just the gaps between the ear span. Nothing completely, everything rotten, everything moving. No, make the hydro and glue the tiles. Yeah, funny. Yes, you see the outside. Oh, okay, I broke it. Outside. No, it's everything okay. Foam, no structure, everything goes out. No, it can't be like this. It's impossible. 1-2 centimeters gaps between the insulations. Very great work. Okay, continuation from yesterday. The carcass done. Airtight tape around the windows. Now it goes the insulation and gips. Show how it will be later. Okay, ready for the G-Prog. So we'll glue everything is placed, the profiles, the carcass completely done. The vapor barrier we will not do because it will be complete hydro. The airtight window, so now we are starting the profiles in the ceiling, so they will not move, impossible. Level sketched, corner sketched, so we'll see the result after the gips. Okay, the G-Prog start. Yeah. Okay, the gips on the insulation with the guidelines done, everything filled with foam, no ear gaps, completely filled. So now the frame covered almost. Okay, doors removed. Place. Now we are making the sound insulation for the profiles. Then this, and then I will show you how it will be finished. Soundproof inside. Everything done. And one more surprise. It was necessary to reorganize all pipes. Everything was way too high for the shop. going ready for the floor. Pipes repiped, everything is connected and so on. But yesterday we had very nice thing. You see this pipe? This is 30, 40, going to 40, and in the wall they made 90 degrees to 30. Guess what it is? This is toilet. Is this toilet? The pipe is going toilet on 30. It's crazy. 30, 40 to 30, that was blockage. Yesterday half day trying to clean. Lucky the shop was not done, the floor was not done. We cleaned it finally somehow. It's disaster. Everything was going, the trap was flowing, all okay. I checked all levels, all good. We made a check from the toilet and the water went out. That's crazy. No, but now we are ready for the shop, so next steps following. Dry concrete done. So tomorrow will be walkable. Tomorrow continuation. Okay, the grunt everywhere, ready for hydro. Ready for hydro. The traps everything, so now it will be the hydro. Now the hydro done. So we will be ready for tiles. Okay, tiles are done. Fuga, silicone and one more painting. Looks like this. The cables just like this, straight to this and straight to that. So it's clear, nothing will be mixed. Okay, too good to be true. Now they're too high, they abandoned. Nobody saw that. Now braking, readjusting and lowering. Amazing. Okay, beautiful. The client asked to follow the insulation. Everything is straight. The insulation like this. Nicely done. Super job. Okay, the situation is following. The tiles are glued. That was plastered, almost ready for painting. It was covered. Didn't realize the plumber work. Lower, straight. Oh, so breakage, refixing of the Belgian professionals. A lot of work for nothing. All is brake damaged. It's crazy. Okay, the lines are catched. Now it's necessary to repress the pipes to adjust directly and then just close. A lot of work for complete nothing. If everything would be done right in the beginning, it would be good, but never ever they do this. It's amazing. It's completely amazing. Okay, pipes connected, no leakage, straight by the lines, by the wall. Insulation, closing, plastering. Okay, surprise fixed. Now moved down, this straightened. All is plastered the first time. Now making ready to paint. Then painting, fuga, silicons, and theoretically it will be done. Okay, going to the almost final ending. The primer painted everywhere. The color will be 9010. Fuga, tomorrow silicons waiting all around the window. The shower heads, radiator, and it will be done. Okay, this I need to show. This is the preparation for silicone. Everything taped. Any tool is not working. It's 100%. You are doing this precisely cut it, and then you can put the silicone everywhere around. So this is quite huge work to cover everything. Ideal. This is the top what it needs to be done. There is no another option. So we came to the logical ending. There is still one side silicone needs to be done. Not all is like this. The cables client will do by itself. The cupboard, shower, mixer installed. All is working. It was quite a big nightmare yesterday, but so it's like this.